Hey, this is Dr. Banta, Stone Oak Dermatology. I hope you all are doing well. I know this is a very stressful time and I can feel it and so can everybody else, but I thought I'd give you all maybe an opportunity to see the behind the scenes of our office to show you exactly what we have. And when you come back and everything is back to normal, then we can take advantage of some of the equipment we have and the procedures and get back to living a normal life. Our waiting room has all the chairs turned except for one. We'll let one patient at a time come in the office if we need to see anybody. We're trying to do everything by telemedicine. We're still fully stocked with all of our products, but you can order online and you'll be saving 30%, which is a great price. In our first cosmetic room, we of course have the treatment chair where we can do filler and Botox, but we also have the dermal infusion, which exfoliates and infuses serums into the skin to give you a healthy glow, which I'm sure we'll be looking forward to having again. Susan is here still working on keeping up with biopsy reports, answering questions, and taking care of patients, scheduling appointments for telehealth. This is the medical exam room where we see routine medical visits, acne, warts, psoriasis, skin checks, biopsies, anything that you need for your medical concerns for dermatology. This is another cosmetic room where we do Botox and filler. I love it because I think it makes everybody feel very comfortable. This is another room that we use, and this is exclusive for Botox, so it's a pretty quick in and out procedure room. In this room, we've got a lot of idle machines, but they'll be ready to go again as soon as we can. This is our photofacial IPL machine that treats pigmentation, blood vessels, rejuvenates the skin. This is really what we use all the time. Another machine that's sitting here, which we love and have a lot of success with, is the sculpture for reduction of stubborn fat. And I think we'll all have a little bit of that after all this is over. I'm trying hard not to, trying to work out and eat healthy, but you know how that is. And then this is just the exam room where we do the procedures. We actually have what's called a Zimmer, which is also in hiding here, that blows cold air if you feel more comfortable when you have the procedures done. We look forward to seeing you, and if you would like, we can actually do a virtual consult. Just give us a call and we'll set you up for anything that you might be interested in for the future. Take care of y'all and stay healthy and safe.